Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be doing a recipe that I got from Pinterest. This is one I've been wanting to make for a really long time, and it's Salisbury meatballs. And I got this recipe from mayakitchenette.com, and the link will be down in the comments below. So if you want to see how this recipe goes, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So for my meatballs, I have grass-fed beef, which I added ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper to, and I grinded up some onions to make like grated onion and grated garlic and mixed that together, which was significantly easier with my hands instead of a spoon. And once that was all combined, I started forming my meatballs, and when I was doing it, I was like, wow, this is really wet. Like, this is not holding together as well. And that's when I realized I forgot my breadcrumbs. So I started over and combined the breadcrumbs in and started forming them again, which was way easier. They held so well. Then I went to my stove and started cooking them. And they just had to cook it until it was done. So I just got a little bit of color on each side, and then took my thermometer and made sure it was reading at 150 degrees just to be safe. And then took all those out. And then I dabbed off some extra fat, put some butter in, and my flour for my roux. And then I just cooked that until it smelled like, I don't know, pie dough. And then I added garlic and my beef stock, a little bit at a time for that to thicken. And then I added in the rest of it. And that's when I realized I forgot to do my onions. So I had to pour my gravy out, put some more butter in, and then put my onions in to kind of caramelize them. I don't know. I just kind of cooked them until they were somewhat translucent, somewhat caramelized, and then put my gravy back in and then heated that through until it was simmering. Then put my meatballs back in and basically just heated those through, and then added ketchup, mustard, and paprika. So the meatballs are done, so I'm gonna go ahead and sneak a little bit before dinner and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. It smells really good though. This kind of reminds me more of like a burger, like just a hamburger, rather than Salisbury steak. But I think that I'm getting that vibe from the ketchup and the barbecue sauce. Maybe I'm just a little weird, but I think people should make this so that they can tell me what vibe are you getting too, because I don't know if I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, because I feel like I'm just eating like a round little piece of hamburger instead of like a Salisbury steak, if that makes any sense at all. I'm probably not explaining myself that well. But this is super awesome. I rate this 9 out of 10. Only because of the burger vibe. I mean, prep was easy other than the fact that I totally massacred this. It's really flavorful, really easy to put together. I'm gonna be pairing this with mashed potatoes when we do have it with dinner, like they recommended in the recipe. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today and trying out the Salisbury steak meatballs. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave any requests for any future videos down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.